mixed fractions to improper fractions. We have learned that mixed fraction is when you have a whole number together with a proper fraction. And then the improper fraction is where the numerator is greater in value compared to the denominator. Now we want to learn how to convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Let's take an example. Example, convert one whole number 1/2 to improper fraction. Now, I'm going to explain this in two ways to you, and then you can then choose whichever one you find easier to you. The first method I'm going to apply is this. Solution. We are looking at converting one whole number 1/2 into improper fraction. That is, we have one whole number plus 1/2. Now you bring this into fraction form. That is, we have 1/1 plus 1/2. Now what you have to do is to find the equivalent of this fraction in such a way that the denominator will be the same as this fraction. That is what we're going to have here, is to multiply by 2. So I have 1 times 2 over 1 times 2 plus 1/2. And in this case, what I will have is 1 times 2 will give me 2 over, here we have 2 plus 1/2. Then finally, you take the common denominator, which is 2, and then you add the numerators together, 2 plus 1, giving us our final answer of 2 plus 1 equals 3/2. You can apply this method, or you just simply do this, where we have one whole number 1/2. And then to get the improper fraction form, you apply the denominator multiplied by the whole number in a bracket plus the numerator all over the denominator 2. Now, what is 2 multiplied by 1? That will give us 2 plus 1/2. And then finally, 2 plus 1 will give us 3, and then our denominator comes down as 2. So in both cases, we have arrived at the same answer, 3/2. However, many students find this method to be a lot easier because trying to find equivalent fraction will spend you more time, whereas you can do it in just 3 to 4 steps using this method. So in subsequent explanation, we will stick to this method. Thank you.